Now I'm going to show you how to do the traditional Greek, the souvlaki bread, on the grill, on a flat top or a grill top. Get it nice and hot, spray it both sides. Remember, spray. Okay, make sure you get a good coverage of both sides. So look, it's nice and shiny. Do you see that shine? Beautiful. Flat side, the darker side of the two sides, flat on the hot grill first. Remember, not to keep flipping. Give it just a little time for a little char to happen on the flat surface. You'll start to see it rise. You can press it and you can start to see it separate the two layers. You can have a little look. Just look for color. Look for a little bit of char. It'll give you extra flavor. If you don't do that, you're not going to get all these beautiful properties that golden top put into making this pita bread. Flip it. Got some nice color. You see I've got some nice char lines going. Really important. And it gives it a nice crusty, crunchy exterior, but the inside is going to be soft and fluffy, just the way we like it. When you've got that nice char on both sides and you're ready to wrap, remember, put the flat surface facing downwards.